We are introducing Derma Elite Chair designed for a comfort built for a dermatology. Upgrade your clinic with a treatment chair that blends functionally, aesthetic and long-lasting comfort. Crafted specifically for a dermatologist and aesthetic professional. Intelligent dual control operations. Dual side foot pedals adjust the chair hands-free from either side, perfect when your hands are occupied with the tools or during sterile procedure. Remote control for a flexible control without needing to move around the chair. One-touch smart automation, instant activation, single tap, initiate smooth, automatic adjustment, no holding required. Stainless steel body with the corrugation resistance. Premium anti-rust stainless steel construction, durable and resistant to high moisture clinical environments. Upholstery, antimicrobial, stain resistant and eco-friendly. Skin safe, easy to clean, ideal for a frequent use in a dermatology. Exceptional patient comfort, high density medical foam retains support during lengthy procedure like a PRP and transplant. Detachable head pillow, enhanced comfort for a facial scalp treatment, easy to disinfect. 3-motor automated adjustment system, motorized height, backrest and leg adjustment, control via remote and dual foot pedals.